Why on earth can we survive on Earth? We're going to look at four basic reasons why Earth is habitable. The first reason is the position that we have from the sun. The second one is the mass of our planet. The third reason is our planet's magnetic field. And the fourth is far below us, our plate tectonics. So the first thing that keeps us alive, keeps us able to stay here on Earth, is the position our planet has from the sun. We are close enough to the sun that we get enough of its warmth that our water on our planet is liquid water, which we need to survive. And we are far enough from that planet, however, that our planet is not too hot. If we are closer to the planet, that would increase the energy of the molecules on our planet, those gas molecules, and they would be able to break away from our planet, and we would not have an atmosphere. The mass of our planet can only do so much at creating that gravitational force to pull those molecules together to create our atmosphere. So you have cases where we have with Mercury, where it is so close to the sun that the heat is so intense that the molecules consistently escape. The next thing, which I hinted about in the previous slide, is that the mass of our planet is very important. The mass that our planet has, has that gravitational pull toward it, because all bodies have a gravitational pull. And because of that gravitational force, the gas molecules are pulled towards our planet and are collected together in the atmosphere. And this atmosphere gives us our air to breathe, gives us the CO2 part of our environment to allow that cycle of fresh air being present for us to breathe. The next important thing about our planet is its magnetic field. This is something that we don't think about too much. Our magnetic field actually protects us from solar winds from the sun and from other dangerous things in space like comets or asteroids. These things, could have a trajectory where they could be going to hit our planet, but because of these magnetic fields, they are diverted away from colliding with us, which helps us stay alive. And lastly, it's the plate tectonics. That's something we wouldn't think about too much, about how plate tectonics could help us with our planet being habitable. After all, we see earthquakes and we see volcanoes and how those are related to plate tectonics. But they're very important. Plate tectonics ensure that our magnetic field stays strong. Without the plate tectonics, our magnetic field could weaken, much like we theorize might have happened on Mars. Once that magnetic field is weakened, the atmosphere is not kept together as well. And thankfully, though, we still have our atmosphere. We still have our magnetic field. And that all sums it up. Because of these four key factors, Earth is a habitable planet. It is the habitable planet. Without these things all pulling together in their own specific ways, we would not be able to continue living on Earth.